If your gear shifter feels loose or hard to move, the shift linkage may be damaged or out of alignment. The good news is, it can often be fixed with some basic tools and a little time. If your gear shifter feels loose or it is difficult to change gears properly, the problem might be with the shifting cable. To fix this problem, start by removing the clips that hold the components in place. Then, remove the bolts from the air filter box and take the entire box out, including the air filter itself. Once the top part is removed, take out the bottom piece of the air filter housing by removing the bolt that secures it. Underneath, you will find the transmission position sensor and a connector attached to it. You will also see the shifting cable, which may need to be adjusted. Move the shifting cable gently to check if it feels loose. If it is loose, you can tighten it. To do this, push the cable all the way in, or to its proper position. Then tighten the locking mechanism to hold it in place. Finally, test your repair by moving the gear shifter through the gears. If the shifter moves smoothly and the gears engage properly, the problem should be fixed. If your gear shifter feels loose or moves freely without changing gears, the shifter cable may be disconnected or broken. Check underneath the car where the cable connects to the transmission. If it is loose, disconnected, or damaged, that is likely the problem. Next, go to the driver's side of the car and get underneath the dashboard area. Remove the knee panel to get access behind the steering shaft. There, you will find where the shifter cable. If it is disconnected, reattach it securely to the shifter linkage. If the cable is damaged and needs to be replaced, remove the entire cable from underneath the car. Then, install the new shifter cable by carefully feeding it through the same path as the old one, making sure it fits properly in the housing. Once the cable is in place, reconnect both ends. Finally, secure all clips and fasteners to hold the cable firmly in position. This should restore proper gear shifting. If the gear shifter feels too stiff or hard to move, go underneath the car and locate the gearbox. On the gearbox, you will find the gear selector mechanism, which includes two shafts. Try moving these shafts forward and backward to check if they are stuck or stiff. If they seem tight or are not moving smoothly, spray them with WD-40 grease spray. Keep moving the shafts back and forth while applying the spray until they start to move freely. This should help loosen them and make shifting smoother. By following these steps, you can fix common shift linkage problems. This will help your gear shifter work smoothly and shift properly again.